Welcome to the October Spotlight on Insurance and Property Casualty coverage, brought to you by ProducersWeb.com. I'm Paul Wilson, and in this broadcast we'll cover some of this topic's biggest trends and most insightful research. This Spotlight on Insurance and P&C is sponsored by Brokers International, one of the nation's leading marketing organizations. Experience the new world of insurance marketing at www.biltd.com. Net income after taxes for private U.S. insurers plummeted 59.3% to $5.8 billion during the first half of 2009, from $14.1 billion during the same period last year. Meanwhile, overall profitability, as measured by their annualized rate of return on average policyholders' surplus, declined to 2.5% for the period from 5.5% last year. According to ISO and the Property Casualty Insurers Association of America, or PCI, insurers' net investment gains, the total of net investment income and realized capital gains or losses on investments, declined 50.2% to $12.4 billion, down from $24.9 billion in the first half of 2008. Meanwhile, net losses on underwriting were down $3.4 billion during the first half of the year to $2.2 billion from $5.6 billion in the first half of 2008. The combined ratio improved to 100.9% for the period, compared with 102% during the first half of 2008. Finally, policyholders' surplus increased 1.2% to $463 billion on June 30, 2009, from $457.3 billion at the end of 2008. The majority of consumers feel they are paying too much for auto insurance premiums, according to a recent survey by LowerMyBills.com. In citing the need to save money in the wake of the recent recession, 79% of consumers said they believe they are paying too much for auto insurance. Meanwhile, 54% said they have attempted to reduce their auto insurance premium during the last year due to tough economic conditions. And of the 46% who have not tried to cut their premiums during the past year, 83% are planning to attempt to do so during the next 6 months. In addition, the survey found that 45% of respondents don't understand how to find the best coverage to fit their individual needs, while 49% are not aware of all the discounts they qualify for from their insurance provider, and 17% have never reevaluated their coverage. Finally, 38% said that their insurance premium was not a significant factor when purchasing a car, while 25% said that a potential increase in their insurance premium is an insignificant factor when they consider running a red light or speeding. The property and casualty sector continued to see insurance rates moderate through September, with composite rates improving from -5% the previous month to 4%, according to MarketScout. The company's monthly report indicates that P&C insurance rates have improved significantly in 2009, climbing from -10% last September. According to Chief Executive Officer Richard Kerr, quote, "Rates will continue to moderate for the balance of 2009. By early 2010, we anticipate most lines of coverage will be renewed as expiring or for a slight rate increase," unquote. Among classes, general liability saw the largest improvement, rising from -7% in August to -5% last month, while inland marine improved from -5% to -3% in September. I'm Paul Wilson, and thanks for watching the Spotlight on Insurance P&C. To see more video spotlights on your favorite products and practices, find them on ProducersWeb.com and browse by topic.